Hey guys, so what's up? It's Mercedes Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Today we are going to be doing a room reveal. So if you guys watch my previous makeover video for my beauty room, well, today's video I will be showing you guys the just about complete transformation of this room. So make sure you guys go watch the before so you can see pretty much how I was able to get to where we are today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. What are you doing? And yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so when you enter into the beauty room, you have this wall here. I was thinking about doing this as an accent wall. You can see that paint there. I was going to hang a picture up here, but I haven't found exactly what I want in this area. But this is at the door of the room. And then you come in and you get a full overview of the beauty space. So starting off on this side of the room, I just have this blank wall here. That is the entry door to the room. And then you have just this blank space here. I'm not really sure what I want to put here. Probably a picture or a canvas. And then I have a clothing rack that I got from Ross, but I'm sure you can find these on Amazon or pretty much anywhere these days. And I don't really have much on it, as you can tell, but I feel like every beauty space needs a clothing rack. It is covering the front of the closet. I just use that closet for storage that has like extra home decor in it, not necessarily anything pertaining to my filming slash beauty room. I have some slippers that I DIY'd here. They're still holding up. If you guys want to check out that video, I will link it down below. I have one of my softbox lights here. I've had this light for a while now and it takes up a lot of space, but I have it here in the corner out of the way. I actually have two of these light boxes. I only have one inside this room. So then you have this black couch that I picked up from All Modern some years ago, and I don't even believe they sell this couch anymore. It is larger. I had it in my old apartment, so it's a pretty good size for this space. I do want to invest in a smaller couch eventually, but that's just not at the top of my list. These pillows here, that one is from Hobby Lobby, and this set here is from Ross, and it is the sequins pillows that when you swipe up it's silver, you swipe down it is white. So I also have this rug in front of the couch. This rug is actually from Burlington. It's a really soft rug. It's not the bubblegum pink that I was going for in this room, but it's on the floor, so it doesn't clash with the pinks in here, so I just kept it. These two side tables that I'm using as coffee tables are from Ross. They were originally a gold champagne color, and I spray painted them silver. On top of the table here, I just have this Chanel book that I picked up from Home Goods. It does have gold on it, but it still goes with the aesthetic of the room, so I went ahead and put it in this room. I also have a candle that I got from Home Goods, which smells really good. And on this one, I just have a small little candle from Ross. So heading to the back of the couch, I put this console table behind the couch just because I really didn't know where to put it. If you watched the previous makeover video, you would have seen it against the closet doors, but I decided to move it over here behind the couch and use it as a background for some of my videos. So this little, I don't really know what these are called, but you can, change up what you wanted to say. Mine just says like, comment, subscribe. Mercedes Michelle is my YouTube channel. I have some little faux diamond crystals that I picked up in a pack from Hobby Lobby, and I just have those on the console table. This picture frame of my daughter is from Burlington, and these two candlesticks are from Ross. I have another Chanel book. This one is also from Home Goods, and then I have a candle sitting on top of that book, which is also from Home Goods. And this is also from Home Goods as well. You guys will hear a lot of Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Those are my stores. Now my picture frames, these are 24 by 30 or something like that. Don't quote me on it. I will leave the measurements down below, but these are printouts that I did on Walmart.com. So I found these images on Google of some of my favorite celebrities in pink because I wanted it to go with the theme of my room. So we have Beyonce, Tyra Banks. I know some people have their issues with Tyra, but I used to love Tyra as a little girl. Thought I wanted to be a supermodel. So I have her here. And then Rihanna, my favorite. So yeah, I just got those printed on Walmart.com. And then I put them in these frames that I also got from Walmart, the little cheap frames, and I spray painted it the bubblegum pink, and that is how that came out. So that is on one of my main walls in here, just to try to fill it up and add some type of color to this room. This faux plant here was from Hobby Lobby, and as you can tell, I spray painted it pink. Kind of ran out of spray paint, but you get the aesthetic of the pink plant. So the plant that I bought, it looked really plastic green, so it looked fake, so why not just paint it a different color and make it make sense, I guess, because it still looks plastic, but it's a faux plant because it's all pink, if that makes any type of sense. So then we have this little console dresser type of thing. This was previously purchased at Home Goods some years ago. Just never know what you find at Home Goods. And I just put it in this room to pretty much store anything electronic, like extra cords, extra stuff, my letters for my little board to change that up, mics, plugs, all that is in there. The bottom just has some backdrops if I want to change my backdrops or put up something. That is what is in there. And then sitting on top of the little stand here, you guys, I don't know what's going on, to be honest. I have these lipstick acrylic things that I got from Ross. Have a little glass heart container that just have some earrings and a watch in it. And then I have some glasses in here. Don't really know if this is going to stay like this. I just have it in here. Some perfume, some wallets, and then I just have my Gucci box there. And then I have this little shelf. I really love this shelf. I found it at Home Goods. Again, this is a couple years ago, but you just never know what you can find at Home Goods any day of the week. And then on top of it, I have this DIY picture of the Chanel perfume bottle. And then this actual picture frame is from Home Goods. And then I have this DIY bag that I made for Malaya's 4th birthday. She had a fashion show party and the theme was Chanel, so I DIY'd that bag. Yeah, so moving on to the window here, these curtains are from Burlington. Actually, I got these from Burlington, and the curtain rods are also from Burlington. Y'all be sleeping on Burlington. Don't sleep on Burlington. And I just have those up there. And then my little tassels here are from Ross. Yeah, these little tassels are from Ross. So moving on to this side of the wall here. So this glitter wall is struggling a little bit. I did it by myself, so don't come for me. I tried my best. So I'm still working to get it the way I like it, but this is my accent wall. It is glitter wallpaper that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. The issue I was having was the lines in this glitter wall. It was annoying the heck out of me. So I tried to use some Mod Podge and some glitter to try to go over those lines, but the glitter I used was too fine because the wallpaper has very chunky glitter. So I'm thinking my solution is to purchase the chunky glitter and go over it again, and hopefully that will solve my issue. But if not, I think it still looks good, and that's just my opinion because I did it by myself. And it was first time ever putting up any type of wallpaper. So I have my vanity here. I am not a huge makeup collector. I don't have a lot of makeup, so this works for me. Okay guys, so my vanity here, I have this mirror that I got from Home Goods. This is the impression mirror. I decided to opt out of putting a big mirror on the wall just because I never use it, and I think this is just perfect for what it is to put on my makeup. These containers are from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I've had them for a while. They just store the little makeup I have. I have highlight, bronzer, LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm still obsessed with LA Pro Girl. Still stuck in the past. Everyone has moved on to bigger and better things. Some primer, glitter stuff. Nothing in there. Lip stuff. Lip glosses, lipsticks, all of that good stuff. Foundations, some stuff I just use that doesn't work. Lord mercy here. Some powder, face powder, black opal for my contour, and some glitter there. And then I just have this that I got from Home Goods that stores the little brushes I have. I went through a whole clean out and I threw away most of my brushes and just never bought any more because I thought I was done with makeup. And then here I just have like different eye stuff, eyebrows, eye pencils, mascara, stuff like that. Highlighters. I used to be obsessed with highlighters at one point in my life. Some more blush and more highlighters. Then this little soap dish that I use for eyelashes these days. Pretty cool, huh? And then some rose water facial mist, and then some more foundation. I'm obsessed with NARS foundation. I need to try the new one because I have really dry skin, so I just stick to this one. But I don't know, I think my skin is changing. It's changing. Now inside my vanity, makeup wipes, eyelashes, a brush, face masks, more powders, more, what are these called? Glow kits, more highlighters in there, and eyeshadow. Morphe MAC. I'm very neutral, so I find that when I buy eyeshadow palettes, they all look the same, and then I'm disappointed. Modern Renaissance, Too Faced, and Makeup Forever. Then I have some contour in there, and yeah, some more powders. So that is it. That is all I have for makeup, you guys. So I used to be obsessed with makeup at one point in my life, and then now I'm just, I don't know. And then I have this, turn it on for you guys. I have this little dream light that you really can't see because can't really see it because all of the light is coming through, but it looks really pretty at night, so I like it. Then I have my ring light over here because the stand doesn't work on the stand because I broke something at the bottom of it, so I have to bootleg it until I just buy a new one. This bench here, I use it as my seat for my vanity, but also just extra seating if I want to film it here. And I just have this little pink throw that I'm pretty sure came from Ross, but don't quote me on that. And then you guys, if you've seen that mirror DIY video, this is the mirror I use. I have not finished it yet, as you can see, but I still like it. I don't love it yet because I find that once I add some more of the appliques or you guys know what I'm talking about. Once I add some more of those onto the mirror, I think it's gonna look really good. But it's here. I put it on the wall by myself, and that mirror is heavy. Now here is just a blank canvas. The only thing that's on this wall is the mirror. I do plan to get a little shelving unit here from IKEA just to add some more color and things to this room. So yeah, that is my plans. And then like my favorite part of this room, I love this. I'm so glad I went with this light. I was going for something more modern at first, but then I seen this and I'm like, just do it, just do it. And I really love the way it turns out. I think it's perfect for this room. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy it as much as I do. And then it has a white light, so it adds so much light to this room. My videos come out so perfect with this light here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my beauty / filming room. I love it. It's me, pink, black, and white. Simple girl. I know it probably looks like every other beauty YouTuber filming room, but it's mine and I like it. I tried to do some things differently, but I feel like pink is just everyone's color. But it's been my favorite color since forever. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, stick around for more home updates and house to home videos on my channel. Bye guys.